Seagull's walking around with a big piece of bread. Oh, you're gonna attack now. Get it, get it, get it, get it.
Oh, that's a big fish.
Yeah, that's what fisherman does it, by the way.
Oh.
I caught it with one hand. I had one hand in my pocket.
Look at big teeth.
Oh my god.
Look at teeth.
Wait, damn, look at those teeth.
Yeah.
Wow. What is that, a barracuda?
I don't know.
It's about like a 6-footer, right? 6 feet
Oh,
about.
shucks, look at how strong. I can hold it. Let me take it out.
Take out the hook so we can save your life, buddy. Look at those teeth. Damn.
Look at this. Big mouth, look at. Open. This son of a bitch, open. Look at.
Wow.
Look
Yeah,
at hell. No?
I caught that one right there. It's contaminated, that's why its belly is yellow, I guess. Nice. Maybe we should protect our oceans. Contaminated. Kind of like the people here. Contaminated. Look at that. Whoa!
Treasure shark.
Whoa.
Treasure shark.
Ooh, shark.
Wow, look at that tail on it. Wow. That's pretty cool.
Good.
Whoa. Oh, man.
They caught a shark on the rope. They caught a shark on the rope.
Damn.
Whoa! Get the whip! Oh my god! Did that hurt? Did that hurt?
That's off a poker, no?
Oh my god.
You got a poker, huh?
Yeah.
They caught it on a rope.
That's very cool. Jeez, that's a big one.
Looks pretty cool.
Huh?
It's a tiny part of fish.
Okay.
Oh my god!
Whoa. This. What is that?
Smallest fish in the world, you know.
It's like a. That came right out of the vagina.
Look at you catch on the not in the mouth.
Yeah, you're right. Look, and I can keep my bait. That's weird. Dude.
That's funny.
It's no bait, I see.
It's probably tiny. It feels like nothing. Here. Look what I got. Look what I got. My brother's gonna catch something right now. Look what I got. Okay, let's take it off the hook. Right. Look, I'm getting lights. Oh. Maybe mine is as big as his. Probably not. That dude's been fighting that thing for like one guy for half an hour and this guy for about 15 minutes now. And he went all the way from that end of the pier to right next to us.
We're gonna catch our own.
Right there he goes. He's walked around the whole pier. There's his buddy with a hook. I've been getting fights the whole time. Not as big as his. This Asian guy right here, he's caught like literally 20 fish since we've been here. Serious fisherman. Pretty crazy. He's probably got one of the surfers over there. There he is.
They don't kill it though. Little shark. Chest.
You just throw it back when it's that small.
Okay, that dude's been fighting with him and his buddy. Have been fighting that shark for like an hour. They started all the way over there. They came all around here, past us, and all around. And right now, he walked all the way to the pier to the front of the beach. He's at the beach right now. He's all the way over there. He's still fighting it. Almost an hour later. All right. It's been over an hour. He's over there on the beach, trying to reel it in. It's got everybody following him, watching. It's funny. It's pretty funny. Maybe he got it, because look, everybody's kind of like circling. Look how big that thing is.
Yeah. Oh no, I'm with your liney ankle.
Oh, that's a good one, dude. It's about a 12-pounder, minus 11 pounds.
Ah, it's on that hook right there.
Damn. What kind of shark is that?
Terrific.
Wow. Damn.
Look,
Pretty crazy. The tail on it's so long. Long tail.
Yeah.
That's the guy.
It's the guy.
Yeah, you know what he did? He just grabbed the head and he pulled the the hook.
Really?
Yeah, you can see. Look at.
That's why I thought he's the Australian guy,
He's not afraid.
He's not.
Hey, get out of here!
Not afraid, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, that's
Hey, push it back in the water. Look at.
Jeez.
Right now we're gonna get close.
Wow.
Watch here, gonna open. Look at.
Oh my God, this looks like Jaws.
Shots.
Wow.
What kind of fishing line you got? What? 50 pound? 40 pound? Yeah.
Wow, that's
Still don't break.
We're done fishing, right? We're going home. How many did we catch? 20 fish? 30? About 20 to 30 fish.
This guy is probably 5, 6.
Well, the guy that fought the I think some guy died or something. Anyways, the guy who was catching the shark, he pulled it up over the beach over there, all the way from over there. He walked to the beach for about an hour. He pulled out a 200-pound great white shark, and they made him throw it back to lifeguard because you're not allowed to catch great white shark.
Play of the game, SC and Arizona State. Brock?
7:24 Saturday night. After fishing, I chilled a little bit, watched some television. Now I'm heading to the office. This is Sunset Boulevard on Saturday night. Traffic. Boulevard. It's all blocked off for some fucking reason. Let's check it out. There's something going on, something big going on over there. Like there's Shrek. A bunch of tourists. I don't know what's going on over here. But anyways. Oh, look. Look at Zorro. That's Zorro. Zorro! You want a sword fight? Zorro! Let's sword fight, buddy. Okay, fine. No sword fighting for Zorro. There, people, that's the Magic Castle right there. Magic Castle. That's where you need special pass or an invitation to go watch magicians work. Literally, you sit right next to them having dinner, watching magicians do their magic. Like big-time magicians. Not these little-time magicians. Big-time magicians.